Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction and Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Marsalek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Crypto.com. Is Cronos a buy after reporting 51% sales growth in Q4? Cronos Group hasn't been a really serious contender in the marijuana market. On the revenue front, it doesn't compare to the bigger vertically integrated cannabis businesses, and operationally, it struggles to turn a profit and continually burns through cash. But it has been expanding its business and introducing new products, and based on the company's most recent quarterly results, those moves may be starting to pay off. Sales are up, but not in the US. One of the things I've always found bizarre about Cronos financials is management's choice to lump Canada, its home base, into a rest of the world segment, but separate out the US market, where it generates minimal revenue, into a segment of its own. While Cronos obviously hopes the US will become a much bigger piece of its business down the road, in the meantime, this choice only serves to emphasize that its US sales, mainly of hemp-derived cannabidiol products, aren't doing all that well. In the fourth quarter, Cronos' consolidated net sales were up an impressive 51% from the prior year period to $25.8 million. And it was the rest of the world segment that carried the business, with sales up 68%. In the US, revenue actually fell by 11%. Cronos credited the Q4 growth primarily to gains in the Canadian, recreational, and Israeli, medical, marijuana markets. Cronos margins remain abysmal, but there are reasons for optimism. Revenue growth on its own doesn't tell investors if a business is on the right track. Gross profit and adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, can often offer hints as to whether the business is growing sales at a profitable rate or not. And for Cronos, that isn't the case. Without a stronger gross profit, the company's hopes of reaching positive adjusted EBITDA remain faint. But there is one wild card that could make that a reality: cultured cannabis. In October, Cronos launched its first cultured cannabis product, the Chill Bliss Gummy, under its Spinach Fields brand. Lab-made products could help bring the company's costs of production down significantly and improve its prospects for profitability. Plus, they would also help it bring more unusual products to market, ones that feature rare cannabinoids. While investors are likely well aware of cannabidiol, CBD, and tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, they may not have heard of cannabidiol, CBG. Cronos claims that its new gummy was the first of its kind sold in Canada to contain both THC and cultured CBG. It's far too early to tell just how successful these types of products will be. And although Cronos is generating more in revenue, the answer to the question of whether the business is more investable will come down to whether its margins are improving. Should you buy Cronos today? There's potential for Cronos stock to soar if its cultivated products prove to be the difference makers that management expects them to be. But for now, this pot stock remains an ultra-risky buy. It's down by 66% over the past year, an even deeper decline than the 58% drop in value for the industry benchmark Horizons Marijuana Life Sciences ETF. Instead of trading at a discount, Cronos continues to trade high relative to most other marijuana businesses, and there simply isn't a reason to pay a premium for it right now. Cronos still has a lot to prove, and until it shows much more improvement on its gross margins, this is a stock I'd stay far away from, as its share price is likely to continue falling in the weeks and months ahead. Should you invest $1,000 in Cronos Group right now? Before you consider Cronos Group, you'll want to hear this. Our award-winning analyst team just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now. And Cronos Group wasn't one of them. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023. Price prediction for 2024. The current price range of Crypto.com coin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore CRO can reach $1.43 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.25 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Crypto.com price prediction for 2025. For a long-term Crypto.com coin price prediction, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average CRO price will rise to around $1.82 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.08 with a minimum price level $1.77. Price forecast for 2026. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for CRO will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get much more attention. The year 2026 could end with an average bid of $2.64 and a minimum bid of $2.55. The maximum bid is expected to be around $3.06. Price prediction for 2027. Crypto.com has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Crypto.com coin, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $4.42. CRO is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $3.76, a minimum price of $3.63, and a maximum price of $4.42. Crypto.com coin and our forecast for 2028. In 2028, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Crypto.com coin will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $6.43 in 2028. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $5.52 with a maximum price of $6.43 for 2028.